Women are so jealous of me. So, women's jealousy is a very kind of subliminal but weird thing that goes on. We talk about it in terms of women fighting. There's a stereotype of two women fighting, that women always fight with each other. The mother in law hates the daughter in law, and the daughter in law hates the sister in law, who knows what else. But we have to think about what the reason is for something like this. In a patriarchy, which is the current system we unfortunately live in, women are always taught to compete with other women. And even our language is framed like that. Or if supposing a woman walks in, they'll say, oh, such and such woman has a great body, or I don't know, whatever, skin, or any of those silly things. But women have over the years internalized not just the patriarchy but all these comments, and are in some sort of weird race. I'm on a group, of women and women entrepreneurs, and there was a lot of talk about that women don't stand by other women. The fact is that every woman is not the same, and all of us, women, men, trans people, we're all living in a system. And whether you call it patriarchy, whether you call it capitalism, whatever you want to call it, but it is a system. It is a system that encourages competition. It encourages one person to get ahead of the other. And so, often one can think, women are jealous of me. But actually, the fact is that women are being sort of encouraged to be this way. And it's my appeal to women to just drop it. It's probably our next phase. We know, all of us, that women are way more desirable than men are. There are fewer women than there are men. It's always a woman's job to just sit around and attract, and she come. So let's not buy into that patriarchal thought process. We really have to support each other and rally. We've been supporting men, as mothers, as sisters. We've done such a fabulous job with that. But now maybe it's time to, support each other as well.